Secret to Fluent English for Kids. Hello, smart kids. Do you know a secret? The best English speakers are not always the smartest. They are the ones who practice every day. Let's begin. When you wake up, say, "Good morning." When you feel happy, say, "I am feeling great today." When you see your friend, say, "I am feeling great today." When you see your friend, say, "Hello, nice to see you." Wow, you are already speaking English. Now answer these questions. What is your name? How old are you? What is your favorite food? Can you answer in English? Great job. Here is another secret. Don't translate every word. Think in English. See a book? Say, "This is my book." See a bird? Say, "The bird is flying." See the sun? Say, "The sun is shining." Easy, right? Let's play a quick challenge. Repeat after me. I can speak English. I can learn new words. I can speak with confidence. I am improving every day. Excellent. Remember, even fluent speakers started with small sentences. One sentence today, 2 sentences tomorrow. Soon you will speak English easily. Soon you will speak English easily. So keep listening. Keep speaking. Keep smiling. And never be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are your best teachers. The real secret to fluent English is simple. Practice every day and believe in yourself. See you in the next English lesson. Bye, super kids. 1-minute rapid English speaking game. Say these sentences as quickly and clearly as you can.